We're really looking forward to just seeing the friendly faces.
Titus Mountain in Malone, New York, choosing this weekend to open their family ski resort.
We're hoping, it's on the higher end than what they're predicting. Maybe get some natural terrain open, which would be awesome.
Last year, they were already open by this time, but this season, the lack of snowfall and warmer than normal temperatures pushed opening day back by 2 weeks.
It's one of those things that, Mother Nature hasn't been too friendly, but with the weather coming this weekend, she's going to make up for it.
In Milton,
it looks like a great start to the season.
The operators of Sharp Park will be offering a different way for folks to hit the slopes on a snow tube when they open for the first time this season. During the off-season, they spent $30,000 building a longer chute.
Last year, we put in Son of Chute, which rather than being a straight shot, has the big 5 curves in it. But the embankments weren't high enough, therefore we came back in this year and made them so high that you're in a canyon going down there and you're not getting out of that chute.
And with over a foot of snow expected in the higher terrains, some may be looking to venture off on a winter hike.
Leaving for a hike at 2 p.m. in the summer might be good. In the wintertime, that's definitely a no-no. You should be on the trail by 8 or 9 a.m. And be ready to get out by sunset.
While the Green Mountain Club encourages hikers to explore Vermont's trails during the winter months, they want to prevent emergency rescues by reminding people to make sure to bring the proper gear.
Making sure that you have warmer clothing, that you have waterproof footwear that's insulated. Traction is really important, so that could be microspikes or could be snowshoes.
In Waterbury, Kristen Ray, NBC5 News.